Hi, welcome to Road 200 Concepts. One student found the quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation 3 and 7, and second 4 and 4. First student took a wrong value of constant term. If constant term is wrong, but A and B are right, because if you write the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, if A and B are right, it means sum of the roots are right, because sum of the roots is minus b upon 8. That means sum has to be 3 plus 7, 10. In the second case, wrong value of b. So product of a root should be right. Product is c upon a, which means product should be 4 into 4, 16. Now look at the option where sum is 10 and product is 16. C option, sum is 10, product is 16. So that will be the answer. P and Q invested 20,000 and 30,000. After 6 months, Q withdraw half the amount invested. That means for 6 months he invested 30,000. For 6 months he invested 15,000. So on an average he invested 45.2 on an average. That is because it is equal time. So you can just add and divide by 2. So on an average, so the ratio of the investment is 20 is to 45.2, which is how they will distribute a profit, which is 40 is to 45, or 8 is to 9. So 9 stands for 9,000. That means 8 will stand for 8,000. That will be the answer, C option. So average investment by Q is 45.2. So ratio of the investment is 20 is to 45.2, which is 8 is to 9. So from there you get P will get 8,000 rupees. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 12? So how many 3-digit numbers are there? From 100 to 999. Which, if you look at, will be 900 3-digit numbers. Every 12th number will be divisible by 12. In any case, every 12 consecutive numbers, one of them will be divisible by 12. So 1 to 12, 12 is 13 to 24, 24 is. So same way, every 12th number, 1 will be divisible by 12. So in 900 numbers, how many will be divisible by 12? Divide. 12 sevens are 84. So 60, 12 5s are 60. So 75. There is no remainder. So exactly 75. So it will be 75 numbers which are divisible by 12. So we'll get the answer as C option. 20 liters of milk is there. You are replacing 4 liters with water. So how much milk is left? 16 liters of milk is left. Again, you're removing 5 liters. So you're removing 5 out of 20, which means you're removing 25%. If you're removing 25%, that means 25% of milk also will come out, 4 liters, which is 25% of 16. So how much milk is left? 12 liters milk is left. A option. That will be the answer. Number of digits. So since they're given log, which means we have to find out log. Log of 18 raised to 50, which is 50 log 18, which is 50 log 18 is 3 square into 2, which is 50 into 2 log 3 plus log 2. 50 into, you need not write all this 50 again. I'm just showing the calculation, but when you exam, you need not write all this again. You have to write as less as possible in the exam as possible. So 2 into 0.4771 plus, you can only take the first 2 digits, but anyway, I'll take 2, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 15, and 9, 9542 plus 0.3010, which becomes 1.2552 into 50. So if you multiply 50, you will get 62 62 point something. So if you look at log 10 is 1, log 100 is 2. So when it's 1, it's 2 digits. When it's 2, it is 3 digits. So when it's 62 point something, it will be 63 digits. So 63. Number of digits is 1 more than whatever log value. So since the log value is 62 point something, the number of digits will be 63. Thank you.